FFW.
Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for east central Armstrong County and west central Pennsylvania, north central Indiana County and west central Pennsylvania, southwestern Jefferson, Pennsylvania County and west central Pennsylvania until 5:30 p.m. At 2:37 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Rural Valley, Dayton, Sunza, Vicksburg, and Mahoning Creek Lakes. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Double header! Double header on 953!
Weather bulletin. For the following counties
Yep.
in Pennsylvania, Armstrong, and Indiana. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Indiana County and west central Pennsylvania, southeastern Armstrong County and west central Pennsylvania until 3:30 p.m. At 2:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of Indiana, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Indiana, Palmer City, Clymer, West Lebanon, Chevy Cheese Heights, Vernon, Eldon, Creekside, Chiloctaw, Atwood, Lucerne Mines, Dixonville, Jacksonville, Commodore, Pleasant Valley, and Yellow Creek State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, hosting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook